Hello, good morning, students. I got the news from the students that I have not given you the question answer of the first lesson that we have done during the school hours. The best advice I ever had. Okay, yesterday they have called me, and this is how the students have to relate the teacher because we forget. Okay, and I suppose I hope that I have given you the 5 question answers. Now let me go to the sixth one. Okay, from the sixth one. So you listen carefully and make your notes. Okay. I hope that you are grown up enough to make your own notes. I'll just go through the answers and you write your note very clearly. The sixth one, the question is must you inflict further injury on yourself? That is the statement question. There is the A B section. There is the question, 2 questions in this. The first question, A question, what is the injury referred to here? Okay, what is the injury referred to here? Answer is, the injury referred to here is she had lost her husband. Second, why did Gandhi ji ask Mrs. Pandit not to hurt herself? Answer, Gandhi ji asked Mrs. Pandit not to hurt herself because already she was in anguish. She was in need of a peace. P-E-A-C-E, peace. Next, 7th question. Why did Mrs. Pandit not met her relatives in the beginning before she left her for America? Mrs. Pandit did not meet her relatives in the beginning before she left for America because she refused to have anything to do with those who take advantage of an outworn but to create a difficult and humiliating situation for her. 8th one. I lifted the debate back to where it belonged. What was the debate about? The debate was about India's complaint regarding the treatment of people of Indian origin to South Africa. 9th one. Mrs. Pandit recollected the advice of Gandhiji. Often, what was the advice? Mrs. Pandit recollected the advice of Gandhiji. Often, the advice was, in inverted commas, you have to write it, no one can harm except yourself. Inverted comma close. 10th one. After visiting her relatives, Mrs. Pandit commented, I felt as if a great burden had been lifted and I was free to be myself. Have you experienced such a situation or a feeling in your life? If you experience those kind of then you have to write yes. Then you have to give me a short explanation. Which situation made you to feel that experience? If not, you have to say right answer is no. Okay, am I clear on this? 11th one. What do you infer about a relationship between Mrs. Pandit and Gandhiji from reading this lesson? The relation, answer is, the relation between Mrs. Pandit and Gandhiji. From reading this lesson, we infer that it is a good and a pure relationship. By advising Gandhiji, made Mrs. Pandit to be feel in peace and binding the broken relationship of a family. 12th question. Describe the state of mind of the cook referred to in the lesson. The state of a mind of the cook referred to in lesson is at the table sat her cook, waving advice and signing, beating time with his foot. His eyes were glazed and he was far away in some open sphere. The table was littered with the pieces of chicken. Now comes the further question answers. Further one, C3. I will read to you and you just carefully listen. Okay, you no need hear my face at all. Okay, and you listen my video so that you can know the things. C3. Following as some extracts from the lesson. Read them carefully and answer the questions that are given below each of them. Answer is, now first one, yet in law we women are still recognized only through our relationship to them. Why does the speaker say so? The speaker says so because our society is male dominated. B. What is the mood of the speaker while speaking the above words? The mood of the speaker while speaking the above words is angriness and fed up towards the society. Second, no one can harm you except yourself. A. Identify the speaker. The speaker is Gandhiji. B. Whom is the speaker addressing? The speaker addressing here is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. C. What does the speaker mean by the above words? The speaker means by the above words is that no one's word can harm us until we react it. Third one. I struck back with the same sharp weapon. Who is the I here? And at whom did the speaker strike back? The I here is Vijayalakshmi Pandit. And the speaker struck back at the opponent team of New York. What was the weapon used by the speaker? That is B. The weapon Vijayalakshmi Pandit used by the speaker was harsh words. What was the need to strike back? The need to strike back was opponent's personal attacks harmfully to the prestige of India. Next comes at the C4 question answers. These are discuss the manner answers of following questions in group of a 3 or a 4 and the present your answer before the other group. First one, there are 5 question answers. First one, Mrs. Pandit had to face a lot of just wait. C4. Means are important at the end. Okay. You have just written upside down here. Just I will check it. Okay. Okay. Just okay. Carry on. That's right. Mrs. Pandit had to face a lot of humiliating situation in her life. Give a brief account of the situation and the comment on them. I'll go slowly, listen carefully and make your notes. Answer. Mrs. Pandit had to face a lot of humiliating in her life when she lost her husband early. She was not sharing any family either or her daughter as anticipated laws says. Sharing of family property only to make heirs. She was very much in bitterness. She got rid of them with the consent of Gandhiji. The second one was the leader to United Nations for a debate of India complaint regarding ill treatment of people of India origin in South Africa. The third humiliating was that when she invited the guest Prime Minister lady for a dinner where her cook was drunk fairly and unwanted of his activities. In this humiliating situation, she cannot be able to overcome with the counsel which was given by Mahatma Gandhiji. Second, comment on the little of the lesson with respect to Mrs. Pandit experience in different situations in her life. Yes, certainly the little is the title, yes, certainly the title is a suitable one because whomever she was facing humiliating situation for life, she used to go through the advice of Mr. Gandhiji. By doing, she was able to remove her negative attitude from her life, which can help her to face the situation in a very positive manner, so that she can overcome problems in most of times. Third one, from a reading of the lesson, write a note on Mrs. Pandit's achievements and her contribution to India. Her contribution comprehends are many. She took an active part in the Indian freedom movement and she was went to a jail many times. She was the most followers of Mr. Gandhiji. She lost her husband at very young age and faced lot of humiliation, and she went and also appointed as the Indian High Commissioner to the United Kingdom, and also became the first woman President of United Kingdom National General Assembly. Next, comment on the title of the lesson respect to the experience the different situation in our life. Here the question is quite different. It looks, just wait, let me check once again. Okay. Fourth one. Means are the important as the end, said Gandhiji. Do you agree with this view? Justify your answer. Yes, I agree with this. Ends are no doubt very important to everyone. Put it there in the inverted comma. But how one achieves work, it is more important. Achieving our goal that leads to confidence, but the way of achieving must be the good one. It must give satisfaction to everyone. If there is no achievement, is also somewhat meaningful in trying it, but not to hurt anyone or cheat anyone. Thus, means are more important than ends. Fifth one, assume yourself to be a social activities. Write an article suggesting. Woman is born with a freedom, but in our country, men are dominating. Since the ancient time, the women are exploiting by the men, but in fact, if we went through her life and responsibilities, she is the greater person of the world. We cannot pay her debt. Even the government has given her equal right. She is still under the control of a man. It is the right time to aware of this and support the women in their endeavor of achievements. Totally, if we are here and her freedom, no doubt the achievements, upliftment of the woman is happened. Given respect and protect the girls as they are the part of our life. With this we finish the question answers. Now let us enter to the grammar part. Language activities, vocabulary, dictionary work. Using the dictionary we have to make use of these words. I will read and you write it. Every word begins with the R-E, re. Okay. Re. First one, make a decision. It means resolve. RESOLVE. Second, state that one is unwilling to do something. Answer, refuse. REFUSE. Take revenge or hit back. Third one, retaliate. RETALIATE. Fourth one, feel bitter about. Answer, resent. RESENT. Fifth one, connected with the concerning. Answer is regarding. 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 Sixth one, a feeling of reassurance and relaxation after stress is over. Answer, relief. RELIEF. Latest, fresh. Answer, recent. RECENT. 8, keep, preserve, retain. RETAIN. Now comes as the V2. Classify the following qualities into a desirable and undesirable. Discuss your teacher as why you classify them. Qualities into a desirable, ಆಶೆ ಪಡುವಂತಹುದು, ಆಶೆ ಪಡದೇ ಇರುವಂತಹುದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್, ನನಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಶೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಸೈರಬಲ್, ದಟ್ ಐ ಡಿಸೈರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ a two column. Write on one side desirable, on the other side undesirable. I will read first all the desirable. You make a one by one, you write down. Advantages, decent, courteous, COURTEOUS, courteous. Happy, humble, significant, diplomatic, prestigious. Undesirable qualities, quarrelsome, you written, difficult, galling, GALLING, bitter, harmful. The last one is hysterical. Now comes, and here we finish this lesson. Thank you very much. I'll give you the other things in the next video.